Hey friends, I just want to show you what I'm going to be working on here. So today I went to the antique dealer and got this beautiful picture, whatever it is. I'm not sure why there's two of them, but it's really curled. You can see that. And so I was playing with it on the way home, trying to get it to flatten out, and you can see what I did. It really snapped just like a bone. It's so brittle. So, oh, you can't hear it because I'm doing this one-handed. But if you tap it, and it sounds hollow, then you know we have to put some moisture in it. So I was doing some research. And the best way to do it is without hot water or steam, because you don't want to have the condensation. So we're going to make a little humidification chamber. And this is good for papers as well if they're rolled up. So what we're going to do is put that in there, and it's supposed to be off, so it's probably about 2 inches off the bottom because of the water. And you want to use room temperature water. And I'm actually going to remove this until I get the water in there. I'm just making a mess actually. And you want to have, I know they're going to float, it's not going to work. It's so funny. Only on TV, right? So I'm going to have to put another thing of water in there. You want it to have about 1 inch or 1.5 inches of water. And then you want to have your rack. That's so funny. That may stop it. Hopefully. You want to have your rack on top, and you want to put your picture there, and hope it doesn't fall in. And then you want to put the cover on it and seal it. And then you want to watch it for a couple of hours and check it to see if there's any moisture running down, like on the cover here, and running down isn't so bad, but if there's moisture on the cover, then it's going to drop on your photo, and you don't want that. So check it after an hour and see. And you may have to keep checking it and putting it back in for 4 or 5 hours or a couple days. Just set it out of the way. And if you have paper, you may have to help it start to uncurl itself. And then there's other steps if we get there, especially with paper. Then you want to uncurl it, and then use some other blotting paper or some parchment paper, and you want it to roll it out flat, and so it can dry, and then put some heavy books on top, and then it'll be flatter. But this is like a thicker cardboard kind of thing with the pictures on it. And so we're going to see how much this is going to uncurl, and hopefully it curls enough so that I can put some weight on it and get it back down without it snapping off the edges like it happened here. So we will come back in a couple hours or a couple days, and we'll see if we can get that cardboard picture a little bit flatter. So this is a do-it-yourself a little chamber. And remember, just make sure that you watch for the inside if the moisture starts to make condensation on the cover, so it doesn't drop on your photo and ruin your photo. So we'll come back after a little bit, and we'll see if we can get this thing straightened out so we can use it. Take care.